Hey guys, Stephanie Hayes here, and in this video I want to show you our brand new tool, Affiliate Content Pilot. But before I show you how it works, I wanted to explain the strategy behind it. Paul Murphy, a 5-figure affiliate at the time, shared his method for success. He used multiple angles for each affiliate promotion with one video per angle. Back then, it was a lot more work. His method also included interlinking all the videos in the series within each of the YouTube descriptions. This kept people on his channel and watching more videos. Each piece of content was effectively meeting and beating down objections. Now with AI being widely used, content creation is much easier. And with light editing, we can create very decent and detailed review articles that pass AI detection and can be focused on conversions. But what everyone else is not doing is the multi-angle promotions. That's what separates us from the rest. And what Paul was actually doing with his 10 video series per promotion, well, number one, he ensured that he got rankings for buyer intent keywords. And number two, he was building topical authority around the product he was promoting. However, we can do this much easier with written content and build video content in later. The written content can be used on your own WordPress site or on user-generated content platforms like LinkedIn, Google Sites, Medium, Reddit, and Quora. This will still have a similar effect of building topical authority and ranking for buyer intent keywords. So that's exactly why we built Affiliate Content Pilot. It's a simple to use Chrome extension that generates 10 articles with different angles for any affiliate promotion, just from adding the sales page URL and a YouTube video about the product if you like. Including comparisons, FAQ, general review, X versus Y, and the main copywriting frameworks such as PAS, so Problem Agitation Solution Framework, AIDA, so Attention, Interest, Desire, and Action, as well as before and after bridge copywriting frameworks. And the best part is that by hitting 10 different angles, your chances of ranking increase for buyer intent keywords, for questions people are searching for, and for building topical authority for each product that you promote. And all of this can now be done in just a few clicks. The whole process has been made super simple to do. All the hard work, the advanced strategies, and the SEO have been built into the prompts behind the scenes, so that you don't have to be an SEO expert to get results. So let me show you how it works. So there are two ways that you can generate articles with Affiliate Content Pilot. You can generate articles using a YouTube video or a product page. If you want to promote a product as an affiliate, you can simply copy the sales page URL and paste it in here. Then click on the tick icon and it will start to load the content. And once you see that the content has loaded successfully, it means we can go ahead and generate article. And here we can checkbox that we're using a product page. Before we go ahead and generate the article with ChatGPT, I wanted to show you some other features that we have within the Chrome extension. If you want to generate the articles in a specific writing style, you can simply provide the sample writing style in here. You can also customize and edit the prompts if you like. And if you're using a YouTube video to generate the articles, you can checkbox this option to include the original video within the article when you publish to your WordPress site. I'm going to uncheckbox it because I'm generating content from a sales page. Over here, you can add in your site URL so that the AI can generate URL slugs so that each article within the campaign will be interlinked with one another. And here you can add in your affiliate link. Here's an option to connect your WordPress site to the Chrome extension so that you can auto-post the articles directly to your WordPress site. So let's go ahead and generate the article. As you can see, it has opened up ChatGPT in the new browser. You do not need to have a paid ChatGPT account. It will work with the free version as well. And it has already started to analyze the pre-filled prompt. And as you can see in the bottom, we have the follow-up prompt already pre-filled. All we have to really do is click on enter on the keyboard and it will start to generate the content once part 1 is done. And you can also select your preferred AI model within ChatGPT. From internal testing, I found that O1 produces the highest quality articles. It uses advanced reasoning and it also produces the highest word count. So I was able to generate articles from 1,700 words to 1,900 words using ChatGPT O1. I'm just going to put my video on pause until the first article has been generated. So first, it has provided 10 unique article titles in different formats based on the different angles that we are using within the campaign. Then it has provided a detailed outline for each article, making sure that each article is 1,700 words minimum. After that, it has provided the pros and cons section highlighting strengths and limitations for the product, followed by a detailed features list with one sentence benefit for each. Then it has given us suggested keywords, semantic keywords, meta descriptions, URL slugs, and tags. And after that, it has provided analysis of tone and style based on the sales page and user preferences. And then it has given us some persuasive elements like call to action, FOMO, urgency, and social proof. And at the end, it has given us a checklist of all the tasks that the AI has just completed. Then I clicked enter on my keyboard to submit the follow-up prompt to then generate the article. And as you can see, it has generated an HTML article, which is what we're going to use to then auto-publish to the WordPress site. And to generate the following article, all you have to do is click enter on your keyboard and it will start to generate the next article. And let me show you how you can publish this article to your WordPress site. So what we need to do is simply copy the title, go to the Chrome extension and paste the title in here. Then we need to copy the URL slug and paste it in here. Next, we need to copy the HTML code and paste it in here. And we have two options. You can publish your article as a draft or as an already published post. I'm going to select draft, then click on publish post. And as you can see, article has been published successfully. And then you can click on view post and see a preview of the article. If you want to generate articles from a YouTube video, what you need to do is simply go to the YouTube video that you want to use. Make sure that you have enabled the CC, so the closed captions. The closed captions will then connect to the Chrome extension. You can checkbox to use a video transcript and then click on generate content with ChatGPT and it will do the exact same process. It will submit the pre-filled prompt and it will already autofill the follow-up prompt to then generate the article. And that's it, guys. It's a super simple way to automate Paul Murphy's strategy for using multiple angles for each affiliate promotion.